Hello friends, so in the previous video we have already gone through with 5 injector specific annotations, only 3 are left, so let's demonstrate them also. My next annotation is Sling object. So what Sling object does, all the resource annotation, all the Sling based objects like request, response, resource resolver can be used with Sling object. So what we can do, we can put resource here, and if I want to get resource resolver from the request, I can put Sling object over here, resource resolver, resource resolver. We can put something like this. If I have Sling HTTP servlet request here and I want to get resource from a request, so I can use Sling object again. If I want to get resource resolver from the request, I put Sling object resource resolver, resource resolver. So Sling object is a pretty straightforward, so no need to demonstrate more on that. So my next annotation is self annotation. So what self annotation does, if I put resource over here, so all the classes which are adaptable to resource can be annotated with self. Let's take an example of a node. So node, and if I have a node is adaptable to resource, so self can be annotated with node because it means self means I am adapting myself to my adaptable. So it works something like this: string get path, my favorite get path again, exception, return node dot get path. So yes, we need to deploy the code. What other choices can be here? We can put value map because value map is adaptable to, if I want to cut the complete value, what I need to do, I can do value map over here and adaptable to resource I put over here. So self annotation is simpler and quite interesting as well. So here path is same, so I need to establish my page. I don't know what it is. It is good. Let me check. Okay, yes, it is good. So in the node.get path we are getting the path of the node. So we can use any other classes which are adaptable to resource through self. My next attribute, and one of the very interesting attribute, is request attribute. So you can see that through request attribute we can send input parameters from Sightly to Sling models. So again this is adaptable to Sling HTTP servlet request. So what we can do here, we can just put request attribute, and we can put string, let's suppose string color, and public string get color, return color. Oh, forgot to make it. So let me build the code. Here what some changes are required through request parameter. So let's do all these changes. Dollar, and the it is average color is equal to red, closing, and I can put color here. Let me check it once again. Yeah, it is done. And other things I can do here with this annotation, if I don't want to put the name here, then I can use the same thing, name, color. I can put test here. I can have some injection strategy again. So if I can think that, oh, this can be null sometime, then this can be optional sometime, so I can make changes on that. So let me refresh that. So that is here. So while Sling models get some request parameters from the Sightly, we can get request attribute. So this is how I complete my all the annotations. Thank you. Happy learning.